As we age, our risk of falling increases. In fact, according to the National Institute on Aging, more than one-third of adults aged 65 or older fall each year. And it's not just a simple slip or trip that leads to these falls. It's often a lack of strength and balance that sends seniors tumbling down. But what if we could change that? What if we had some exercises we could do every day to boost our strength, improve our balance, and reduce the risk of falls? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. We've put together 5 essential exercises that will help you stay strong, steady, and safe as you age. These exercises are perfect for seniors or anyone who wants to improve their strength and balance. So let's get started. Exercise. Number 1, chair squats. Squats are a great way to build lower body strength, which is important for maintaining balance and preventing falls. To do a chair squat, stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your back straight and your chest up as you slowly lower yourself down into a seat. Make sure your hips are lower than your knees and your weight is evenly distributed. Push through your legs to stand back up and repeat for reps. This exercise strengthens your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, which are all important for balance and stability. For beginners, start with 8 to 10 repetitions 3 times a day and gradually work your way up to 15 to 20 repetitions. If you find this exercise too challenging, you can do it against a wall or use your arms for support. Exercise 2, side leg lift. Another effective exercise for improving balance and preventing falls is the side leg lift. This exercise strengthens the hip abductors, which are responsible for lifting the leg out to the side and keeping the body stable during side-to-side motions. To perform the side leg lift, lie on your side with your hips and knees bent. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe and engage your core muscles to support your body. Lift your top leg about 45 degrees while keeping your knee bent. Hold for a few seconds and then lower back down. Repeat for reps on each side. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions on each side 3 times a day and gradually work your way up to 15 to 20 repetitions. You can also add ankle weights to increase the intensity of this exercise. Exercise 3, single leg balance. As we age, our risk of falling increases because our reaction times slow down and our muscles become weaker. One way to combat this is by practicing single leg balance, which can help us improve our stability and coordination on one foot. To do a single leg balance, stand on one leg for 30 seconds at a time. You can do this with or without support. If you need support, you can hold on to a counter or a sturdy object. As you get better at balancing on one leg, you can try doing it with your eyes closed or with your feet together. Start with 3 30-second sessions per day and gradually work your way up to 5 30-second sessions. You can also make this exercise more challenging by adding a wobble board or a Bosu ball. Exercise number 4, Tai Chi. Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice that involves a series of slow, controlled movements that promote relaxation and balance. Practicing Tai Chi regularly can help improve your overall balance, coordination, and flexibility, which are all important for preventing falls. There are many different forms of Tai Chi, but they all involve a combination of gentle physical exercises, deep breathing techniques, and a focus on body awareness. One of the most well-known forms of Tai Chi is Tai Chi Chuan, which involves a series of 8 basic movements that are repeated in a circular fashion. These movements include a variety of stances, such as the ward-off, the rollback, the press, and the single-finger Zen. Each stance requires a specific body position and hand movement designed to promote balance and relaxation. Practicing Tai Chi can be a great way for seniors to improve their overall health and well-being. In addition to its potential benefits for balance and fall prevention, Tai Chi has been shown to improve mental health and reduce stress levels. Many studies have investigated the effectiveness of Tai Chi for fall prevention in older adults, and the results are promising. A study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that Tai Chi was effective at reducing the risk of falls in community-dwelling older adults. Another study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found that Tai Chi was effective at reducing the number of falls and the severity of fall-related injuries in nursing home residents. Exercise number 5. Yoga. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice that involves a combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It's been practiced for thousands of years and has many potential health benefits, including improved balance and reduced risk of falls. The physical postures in yoga, known as asanas, help to strengthen the body and improve flexibility, which can make it easier to get up from a seated position and reduce the risk of falling. Yoga also promotes body awareness and concentration, which are important for maintaining balance. In addition to the physical benefits, yoga can also help with mental health. It can reduce stress and anxiety and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. Studies have shown that yoga can be an effective intervention for reducing the risk of falls in older adults. A study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that a 12-week yoga intervention program was effective at reducing the risk of falls in community-dwelling older adults. Another study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that yoga was effective at improving balance and reducing the risk of falls in older adults with a history of falls. In conclusion, staying strong and steady becomes even more important as we age. By incorporating these 5 essential exercises into your daily routine, you'll be taking positive steps towards maintaining your strength, balance, and overall well-being. Remember to start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. With consistent practice, you'll soon notice improvements in your strength, stability, and confidence, allowing you to enjoy your golden years with vitality and peace of mind. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Stay healthy and active, and we'll see you next time. See.